Hi everybody, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of the Gran Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. This beautiful tower offers standard rooms, suite-style accommodations, and even a club-level lounge. When we filmed our full resort tour of Coronado Springs back in June of 2019, we were just 1 month shy of the grand opening of the Gran Destino Tower, so we decided to take another trip down so that we could get some footage of this beautiful place. Since its grand opening, Gran Destino Tower has been the main check-in area for the entire resort, and it also houses a rooftop lounge and table service restaurant. The two-story lobby at Gran Destino Tower is absolutely stunning, and I personally feel that this section of the resort feels more like a deluxe property than a moderate property. On the top floor of the lobby you'll find seating areas as well as the main check-in desk, and on the bottom floor you'll find more seating as well as Barcelona Lounge. If you find yourself needing to get a little work done while on your Disney vacation, this workspace comes equipped with USB charging ports. There are two entrances into the elevators at Gran Destino, one of which is right next to the fitness center. The elevator call system here is really unique. You enter your desired floor first, and then you're directed to a specific elevator to board. One of the aspects of Gran Destino Tower that makes it feel more like a deluxe property than a moderate property is the fact that all of the rooms feature entry from an interior corridor. Coronado Springs is also the only moderate property to offer a fitness center as well as club-level accommodations. For this particular stay, we booked a standard 2-queen room at Gran Destino Tower. As you first walk in, the bathroom is directly off to your right, and it features a shower as well as double sinks and a separate room for the toilet. Directly across from the bathroom is a small closet. There were plenty of USB charging ports found throughout this room, and you'll also find a mini refrigerator as well as a coffee maker. After settling into our room, we decided to head up to the top floor to check out Toledo Lounge and Toledo. Toledo is a table service location that features stunning views. Just across from Toledo is Toledo Lounge, which features equally stunning views. Here we have a view of the Tower of Terror at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And here we have a view of Blizzard Beach, which is one of Disney's 2 water parks. Back down in the lobby, we'll now turn and go out the back doors towards Lago Dorado, which is the body of water at the heart of the resort. There are plenty of opportunities for recreation just outside of Gran Destino Tower, including this oversized game of chess and also this fire pit, a great place to gather and roast marshmallows. I love the beautiful mosaic tile work that lines the back of the benches along Lago Dorado. Directly behind those benches is a covered walkway that will take you between Gran Destino Tower and the main retail and quick service locations on site via the old check-in area. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of the beautiful Gran Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. The tower offers a lot of amenities that are typically only available at deluxe properties, making this a phenomenal value for your next family vacation. Coronado Springs is my family's home away from home, and the tower is definitely our first choice of places to stay. If you'd like me to help you plan a vacation for your family to visit this beautiful resort, my planning services are completely free when you book your vacation through me at no additional cost versus booking it yourself on Disney's website. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.